Oh shit. I gotta restart this shit. Yeah, this shit. Bro, I'm about to be rich, bro. I think me studying this marketing, I'm about to be rich. What's good, baby? Ooh. You already know what the hell going on. You already know what's going on. You already know. I ain't gonna lie, make these smaller. These don't so big. Let's make these smaller. Let's make these smaller. Damn, damn, bro. I feel like a fucking god, man. I don't, I don't, I don't compete. I don't compare. All I know is how I trade, and it makes me money. I don't compete. I don't compare. I just do what the market tell me to do. You compete. Trading is no competition. Just get in the market, find your bias, find your edge in the market, attack it, hold it, receive your percentage, receive your paper, get out, do it again. It's no, I'm a better trader. It doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter. The better traders don't do no competition in this. We all here. Most people can't even make money from this. So, what you want to do is just follow your rules. Once I made a set of rules, I swear to God, I kept winning. Like this whole month, I just been winning. I'm not even gonna fucking lie. This whole month, I've been winning. My boy, what's good? What's good? This whole month, I've been winning. This whole month, I got in a little early, and I'm looking to get in again. Whole month, I just been winning. I was gonna enter 32, but it's really the same thing. I'm not touching it. It was the same thing, but you know, Nas, shit, man. You see, I got in that Nas a little at the drop. I was gonna get in 32, but you know, Nas and 30 the same thing. And then Nas looked at a little bit more cleaner with this. It looked at all cleaner on the lower time frame. And then look, man, the thing I knew this, man. Look what happened yesterday too. Look what happened. Look what happened yesterday when I got the fuck out. That's crazy. Like I said, if I thought it was a buy, if it didn't do this, I wouldn't think it was a buy. Now I'm thinking it's a sell. I got out too. I was like, man, I'm thinking this is a fake out. I'm like, man, it's probably higher time frame. I go on the higher jumps. I'm like, this was the low, but I'm like, maybe it's a fake out and it's gonna come all the way back up. But it still can't. I don't know. I'm gonna wait till market do what they want to do though. I'm not. If I do, I sell. If most anything, I sell like now. But if anything, I sell right now, low key. But if anything, if it keep going up, I'ma just wait. I'm really just gonna wait, bro, because I still think it might sell. But I don't know. The daily is telling me to buy, but I don't know. The daily telling me to buy, but I don't know. It just I don't know. It's one of them Jones like you just gotta wait until the market show me a little bit more information. Like right now, I'm just sell bias. That's why I sold yesterday. I'm just sell bias. But if it goes up, I'ma just wait. Like I'm gonna wait to at least come back up here. Because if it come up here, it's gonna drop. Like if it just come anywhere above here, I'll buy. Like even if it come up here and then come down, I could keep buying. But if it come around here, I'm just looking to buy. Right now, I'ma just wait. and how exit, and how crazy I exit the joint. Then middle of the night, bam, that joint hit TP. But right now, we in Nas right now. We in this clean little Nas joint. We enter early. We might enter again. Facts. Bro, I swear, bro, I don't know the market. Ever since I looked at the highest, bro, you right about, bro. Ever since I looked at dailies and 4 hours and see the overall structure of the time frame, you really know on the lower time frames, just wait. Like, y'all probably like, Nas drop, nigga. It's still a buy, shit. It's still a buy, just doing a little retracement. And even if it's not a buy, as soon as they hit here, I'm gonna just go break even. Yeah, bro. I'm not doing no 1 minute. Like I enter off the 5 and 15, but I'm really looking at the 4 hour daily. Like I'm just waiting. Like that's why when Nas kept going up, it's like I can't really enter. I don't really know where to like. Ever since I exited here, I didn't know where to enter Nas. There's no fucking way I can enter. But once it came back down a little bit, at most I probably could have entered here. This joint right here. At most, I could have entered here. Boom. Hell yeah, I could have entered here, right here. We was talking about that in one of my lives. I was like, I should have entered here, and it just took off. It took off without me. I think this was yesterday. This was yesterday. It just took off, but now it's right back. We gonna see what price do here. If it's either gonna come here and go back break even, or just come down and I'm gonna re-enter, and then I'm gonna re-enter if it come above here. If it come above here, I'm re-entering. I entered this on my real account. I'm up. I ain't gonna lie. I put the stop loss at 100. I ain't gonna lie. I had to risk a little more. It's like it's not really bad risk management. It's like I'm gonna lose 100 or I'm gonna win 400. Right now, I ain't gonna lie. Let me see how much I'm on. Let me see. It's not even bad risk. I'm up 140. I ain't gonna lie. I'm up 140. It's not even bad risk because 140. If it hit TP, most likely I might take profits. Like when it come above here, re-enter, and then try to get more. And then I'm gonna finish this prop firm shit. I ain't gonna lie. I might just enter this joint right here. I'm not gonna lie. This prop firm. I might just do a sell real quick. Yeah, I might just sell this bitch right here. Maybe. Fuck. Maybe. It's still It's oh my god. Nah, this is looking. I don't like this one. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't like this. It's like I'm forcing it. This one was clean. I can't lie. This one was clean because it won't break in structure to the upside. Because if it's selling down, yeah, I'm not gonna enter this shit. I know I like this one. If the prop firm joint, I'm gonna re-enter on both my real account and the prop firm. Hopefully I'm gonna get like two. I'm going up, bro. 2 bands already. If this shit hit, if I re-enter and it don't hit 2 bands already, or $700 in 2 weeks, I'm gonna see. It's like I want to make my account bigger. It's like I don't want to take out the account yet. Like, granted, I could take out 1K, but it's like I really want to build that account. Like I don't GJ. It has to come up here for me. I don't know. It just has to come up here. Once it come up here, it's like I'm too. Because I'm thinking this was a fake out, but it's keep playing around in this area. It just keep playing around with this area for me. because I was right on the sales, but I'm like, damn. I thought if it broke down in here, I thought it was gonna keep dropping, but shit. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave GJ alone for now. You know, sometimes you gotta get a market like 2-3 days. Yeah, how man said he bought a mattress. Shit, I be wanting to buy new shit. I just don't. I'm really just investing shit. I've been buying new tires and shit for my car. But new tires coming in, I think Thursday or Friday. Thursday or Friday. I just got some new tires. You know, my tires getting a little worn out. I ain't entered this 31. Let me delete it. But I ain't gonna lie, you can still like if 30 still drop, shit, you still I can still enter as long as it don't. I ain't gonna lie. Where is this? As long as long as it don't really come lower than this. Really. Let me see 4-hour. Yeah, as long as it don't really break this. Let me delete all these other shit. I'm not really worried. This was a good buy. Like I was gonna buy right here, but Nas just looked clean. And I don't like entering the same. It's the same type shit. Because if you lose twice. If you win twice. I'd rather would have just upped the lot size on one of them. So and Nas was a better RR. Like this one was like a 3R. Nas is like a 4. You know I like the best RR, best ratio. Let me delete this, but shit, if it come up here, it's flying. I'm gonna just put an alert right here. Let's delete. I gotta start deleting stuff. Yeah, but what you was looking at today, man? I'm gonna check it out soon because I ain't really DJ. Like I said, I'm gonna just wait. If anything, this broke up to the upside, thinking it's gonna buy, because you can buy. Because it didn't. Once it came down here and it didn't break, I'm like, I don't know, but it's not going up either. So it's in a weird spot. Nas, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Just once it hit here, I probably go break even, try to find another entry. Gold, damn, you see like gold. I ain't look at gold in a minute. So ever since I exit this on Monday, I ain't look at gold Monday or today, to be honest. Like, let me see gold. If gold, I don't know. I need a retrace. You see how nice this retracement was? I like retracements like this. This shit was so beautiful. That's how this retracement was beautiful right here. This joint was so beautiful. But it's not really giving me a if I enter gold, it's gonna be a scalp like let's see. I'm gonna delete this. At most, here, maybe here. I don't even like this one though. It's not as good. If you wanna, yeah, nice 3R. It's just a little late entry. But real TP probably like if I want to enter this, I enter like from here. Stop loss is gonna be way longer. That's a 1. You know, I be trying to get better RRs. Like, granted, this is like the real. No, this is not. This is the real one. But to take advantage, sometimes you can enter here. The market could just sometimes go down. Put the stop loss around here. TP. If TP comes here, it's most likely probably just gonna keep running. So at most, I enter from here. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like I enter from right here. It's so I don't believe in gold. Like I ain't gonna say I don't believe in gold. I just like this one right here. This one was so beautiful because I'm like it retraced it so good. It's like I knew this shit was gonna work. To at least right here. I knew the joint was gonna work. Gold. Yeah, like maybe I enter from here. I'm gonna leave this here. I get it. Damn. So let me see if I push this up a little bit. Damn, that's you see how crazy that is? This is a 2.5. When I bring it down a little bit, it's a 7, bro. God damn. That was a 2.5 to a 7R? Yeah, this is a risky one though. Like I don't think like if it do come down here, it got a wick. Stop loss. Yeah, I just believe if it come down, oh no, it can't keep going down. Fuck. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. I like short term, yes. I'll enter this one. Yeah, short term I'll enter. Like maybe it can come down here, but gold is such a strong uptrend. I wouldn't want like if you enter from here, you don't really want it to come past it. But if it do, you can still enter. It's just gold in such a it's such a strong uptrend. It's like, do you believe it's gonna come down here? But really, if gold come back down here, it's still a buy. Like I be wanting gold to, cause it's still gonna show me, yeah, the shit bullish. Like if I buy here and it goes down, I'd rather just wait. Yeah, like even like I wanted gold to come back here. Like you know how I did this the other day. I was waiting for gold to come back here so I could just re-enter, but it can still come back to here and it still will be a buy. But you got to remember, once it come down here, if it just keep dropping, it's just gonna keep dropping. But if it comes, fluctuate, come down, come back up, oh yeah, I'm gonna just enter. Simple. At most, this is what I enter gold. At most, it might just keep flying up as of right now. But this right now is a good entry too. I just like my RR. Like this is really a good entry. It's just not a good RR to me. Like it's just not a good RR. Like 1 to 2, I don't really like that shit. Maybe even enter down here. You probably would have been a 2R, but this one, I'm being greedy. I ain't gonna fucking lie. I'm being greedy because if it come down here, it gotta. It, fuck. It's either gonna come. I don't believe it's gonna come here, but it's either gonna keep going up. I'm just being greedy. Granted, it can come down here and wake up. Like even if it come down here and I don't enter from here and it comes back up here, I enter like right here, and then just put the stop loss wherever it went from down here. Because if it come down, like let me let me show. Like if it come down and it hit this, maybe I won't enter. But if it come back around here, I'm gonna enter, and my stop loss is gonna be where number 1 is at, and then I'm gonna just fucking enter from there, basically. So like if it come down here, touch this at least, and doesn't go below this, I enter, make this my stop loss, or this. It maybe most likely this, because if it comes here, it might come here. It's just in simple market structure. So gold looking nice. It's looking like a B plus setup, little B, not no A, but B. This is a B plus. But if it come above here, it's a fucking A. That's another one I could usually get. Nas, I'm gonna come up. If it just go down and I just go break even. Like if as soon as this hit, I'm gonna just close out at break even. I'm not taking profits yet because I'm gonna re-enter. Once I re-enter, because even if I go break even, and then my stop loss would be, if I re-enter, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna re-enter on the prop firm and my real one. I don't know. Most likely, I probably should. I might take profits. It hit here because it can still come back down. It could be like I don't want to come up yet. It can do that. I just like entering early because it's a longer RR. Like my real entry would be somewhere in here to here, but it's not breaking lows. GJ, I ain't gonna lie, I still think it's a sell, but I'm gonna just not bother it. I really wanted to buy, but even if it buy, I just don't know where to buy. I'm gonna just say sales for now. Hope if it come down here, it just maybe the daily, because daily showing me buys. The 4 hour not showing me no buys. The daily showing me buys, but I just don't know where to buy. No. I hope it comes down. Matter of fact, I swear I hope it comes down. That would be a better buy for me. That would, yeah. I'm gonna wait, but that I hope it comes down because I don't really want to buy up here. I really want to buy somewhere around here again. Because if it come down and then it start coming up, eventually go slowly. I'm gonna wait. I still think that's a sell for now though. Gold, we talked about gold, US30. US30 looking clean. If it come above here. Shit. Damn, why is she so small? Why are they don't so small? You got to delete some of these shits. I should have. Yeah, I was in. There's so much stuff I could have entered. Look at this. Boom. Could have entered. God damn. It's like market low key kind of easy when you look at higher time frames. You go to 4 hour. Boom. 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 As long as it don't break here, price goes above here. Eventually, it might come up here. No, Nas and 30 looks the exact same. And we got news tomorrow too. Maybe it's gonna stop here. Because look how many stars it did that shit. But it never went down. Sometimes I always look at market structure now. Like every time it came up here, it never went below the yellow. Like it never went like boom and then went all the way down. So I'm not really worried if it come above the yellow. Like I'm still thinking it's gonna fly up. Maybe it is gonna fluctuate, or maybe it can. Like granted, it can't come here, go down as long as it don't break this, and then come back up. I'll just re-enter. I'm not gonna lie. Like say price come here, and it comes down, as long as it don't come down from the lowest point, I would think it's a buy. Like if it comes here and then comes back above here, I'll just buy it because market structure telling me it doesn't want to go down. Next, and news is next week. No, ooh, I was about to X out this page. Let's see. Oh, no news tomorrow. Damn. So if there's no news tomorrow, I don't know. We're gonna see what 30 do. But it is news Thursday. Unemployment and GDP. Okay. It is news. It's just not tomorrow. So maybe price can still play around. I'm not tripping. If it does come back to break even, I'm gonna just go break even and re-enter. You can't trip because even if price here and you don't take out and it comes break even, you just lose. Got to think of the bigger picture sometimes. All right, that's all the shit I know. See for today. But everything I've been touching really is touching the gold. This would have won. If I never exit this would have won. I'm not gonna sell because I don't really like how this. It looked like it wants to fucking push up, so I'm not gonna sell. But if it do sell, I'm gonna try to look for buys eventually. Just not now. It's either gotta come up here, which I don't want it to do, or come down here and just keep going up, and I'll buy. But this was my first sale, low key. Everything else was buys. Boom, buy, 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 buy. Everything I did was buy. This one, this break even, this break even. This I go break even a lot though. This one I lost, I think. Yeah, I lost this one. This one I got out early. This one I won. This one I think I won this one too. This one I won. Like it's so just follow the fucking trend. The trend told me it broke here. That's why I was fucking sold. But I thought this was a fake out, so I'm like, I don't really want to sell. I'm gonna just wait. Nah, all right. Let's see what the stock gain holding us. What stock's talking about? Oh my gosh, man. You see what Tesla doing? My boy, I know you see. Damn, Tesla. God damn, this shit looking beautiful, man. Like I said. If I even said it. I said Tesla goes above this yellow, it's gonna fly. Let's see something else, man. Nah, that's some good shit, Tesla. I don't know what the fuck I wrote for. I mean, 6. Let me see. I'm gonna see no video after that. Let me see what the fuck Apple could have did. Let's see. All right, let's see Apple. Eventually, this turns into a buy where I really would have bought. Oh my gosh, look how much here. I'm trying to see. Hold up. Let me see where I would have bought it. Just knowing me. Comes above here. I wouldn't have bought this yet. Broke again on a higher time frame. Came down. Never came back down. Oh my god. This is clean. Apple came down, never broke here. Probably would have entered. Let's see. Somewhere right here. Boom. Right here. Right fucking here. Stop loss here. TP. Would have closed out right here. Just in case, because granted, it's always gonna come here. It's always gonna fucking come to where price was at. Close out, you take your little stocks. It don't really matter. That's just entering early. You enter early here. It's a nice 1.5. I look at the 4-hour again. And knowing Apple, you could have just said this. I wouldn't have did that. I ain't gonna lie. I probably would have took profits. You gotta be real with yourself. I would have took profits right here. Once I seen this big ass spike, I'd have just took this 2R. Apple look clean. Apple super clean. Super clean. Because it's telling me it's going up now. It's tired of going down. Yeah, Apple clean. I don't know if y'all trade Apple, but Apple was fucking clean. And then it's keep going up. It's too late for Apple. Damn, I would have. Who is this? Friday? Yeah, Friday I would have entered. I ain't gonna lie. Monday. Friday. Okay, say I entered. No, Wednesday. Okay. No, I would have entered Thursday. I would have entered Thursday. Yeah, Apple was super clean. Y'all killing. Y'all killing. Let me see the video though. The video. I'm glad y'all making that money. Shit. Shit. I love when niggas make money. Let me see. Damn. What I wrote up in the video. Is that what I drew? Yeah. Yeah, yup. Hit price always comes back to where it was originally at. Shit. At least came here. So I don't give a fuck where it goes after this. It could come back all the way back down. But when the video breaks, that's what I said. If the video breaks this though, oh my god. You said you made money off the video. If the video breaks. If the video breaks, it's over. Yeah, you waiting on that break. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, you making that nigga making big bang. Ooh, no video. I'm trying to think. I'm really trying to think. It's a nice hole. Granted, it can keep going up. The video looks good. I don't have nothing to say. It's just a weighted game. It's just a weighted game. If you ain't enter, don't enter. I wouldn't enter, but if you in this shit now, yeah, just hold that shit. If it break, you going crazy. I just hold that bitch. Let me see something else to look at. Let's look at Amazon. Damn, I knew I drew something for Amazon. Where that shit at? Where is it at? I know I drew a TP for Amazon. God damn, Amazon this high? When did it get this high? I remember I drew one down. Bro, I drew something for Amazon, bro. Was it? I drew something for one of these Amazon. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I can't find it. I drew something down here. That's why I'm like, what the fuck? Damn. Where would I would have entered Amazon realistically? Oh, this is fucking perfect. This is perfect. This is fucking perfect. This is fucking, that's perfect. Like it always comes, bro, I swear it comes back 85% of the time. This is perfect. Yeah, if it comes down, it's still perfect. Hell yeah. Let me see. Daily. Let's look at the daily. All right, look at the 4 hour. Maybe I'll wait a little bit. I might enter from right here. This time. Right here. Like right here. This would have been clean. Because look, it comes all the way up here. Right here. And what it did, touch price again. Even, you could say this broke it right here. We're not going to play around and not say that. We're not going to play around and say it broke here. That's petty. As soon as it came above here, it went straight to it. Because even if you say it breaks right here, just make this your stop loss. Never touch this. Damn. Clean. I don't know where I would have entered. Like, nah. Yeah, I would have entered here. You can get another entry. Ooh, Amazon looking good. Because look, if I was at Amazon, oh, I can't wait, man. I'll be one. It's like y'all all be trading stocks in that group chat. It's like I'm the only nigga who will trade that shit. Shit. This is clean. This is super clean. Because even if it comes down and it doesn't break here, if it just comes back above here, this is like I'll make my golden. I'll make this my golden shit. I'll do my golden box. Even if it comes down, it doesn't break this, and it comes like right here, you can just buy. What else I could look at? I'm gonna leave that there. What else is another peer to look at? What else y'all be looking at? Let me look at Hood. I ain't look at Robin Hood in a minute. I got that. It's like I be drawing this shit. I just don't remember when. What the fuck? Look at this. You see? What the fuck? Boom. Granted, I would have took profit here. It would have closed out. I would have took profit here, closed out that break even. Maybe enter again here. Came back. New one. AMD. Let me see what I would do. I never marked up AMD. Oh, I probably did just a long time ago. AMD, what I would have did. Okay, let's see AMD. Let's see AMD. Granted, it came uptrend around here. Granted, all of this is up. AMD looks super clean to hold. Maybe I don't want to see the daily. I like how AMD looks. Granted, yeah, because it's not breaking. It just I don't damn, I don't know what the I guess I consider this the low, but it's not breaking that. And then if it comes above here, I be making it. I ain't gonna make this my gold box. Low, granted, I probably would have been entered. I like entering early. The only way I like entering early is because I'm gonna just close out at break even. It doesn't break my gold box, and that's my real buy. Like I just like entering early because I could buy twice. I ain't gonna fucking lie. So, like, let's see. It comes here. Granted, how much times you can buy? You could have bought here. You could have bought here. You could have bought here. Let me see. Let me see how much times I would have bought. I'm gonna be honest. Granted, let me see. By looking at a smaller time frame here, comes up above there. The boy here. What a boy here. What a loss though. Granted, I would have bought here again. It came out, came in, came out. What a boy here. Hey, this one star loss TP. Granted, but I still would buy down here too. Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, because I would just really buy up here. Let me see. I'm trying to think. Down. Oh, the boy here. Did I say I was gonna buy here? Yeah, I would have bought. Came up, came down. Would have bought here. No, I probably would have went break even, low key, because it's showing it's going up. But if it doesn't, no, I wouldn't have went break even. This is what I would have did. I would have just made my stop loss smaller, low key, because I wanted to go up a little more for break even. It's still showing me it might not want to go up. I don't know. Every time I look at market structure, it's just like if it don't want to go up, it might just come back down here, which it did. I would have lost less money though. This would have won. This would have won. Like this. I would have entered. Boom, boom. I'm trying to see where I would have entered down here. Boom, boom. I really would have entered this shit too. Oh my god, y'all would have entered this one. I'm not. Let me see. Wait, hold up. Nah, I won't have entered. Let me stop. Damn. Would have entered here. Entered here. Granted, it almost went to stop loss and it took me. I probably would have took me the fuck out. But granted, it did hit here. I probably wouldn't have closed out that break even. I probably would have lost. I don't know where to enter. Maybe I gotta look at it more. Oh, I'm tripping. Right here. I would have entered somewhere. It broke out here. Because it's still kind of an uptrend. Right here. You could have made this your T. You can really make this your TP, but it never hit. Granted, you just got to take out the profit. You just got to know when to take out. Like, boom, boom. Because this went up again. I would have entered here again. Granted, just never be. Sometimes you just got to go break even. Shit. Another one I would have entered. Yeah, you just got to know. Yeah, fast. You just got to know when to take profits. I'm really just gonna go break even. I ain't gonna. Nah, this first one I probably took profit. This one I probably would have went break even. Oh, no, I would have lost this one. This one I would have took profit because as soon as it hit this yellow bar, I'd be like, let me like what Nas is at now. Come on, like this joint. Boom, boom. To go for the kill, I'm doing this. Yeah, I'm doing that. Yeah. Granted, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, shout out. Yeah, shout out, man. We going off. And the prop firm that week prop firm about to pass. I just gotta enter this joke. I gotta see what Nas do. Hopefully Nas give me everything I need and I'm done with it. This is a good yeah, this would be clean. Right. Yup. Right here. This would be for me. This would be for me. Because this is just an early entry. Oh yeah, this is clean. If I lose, I wouldn't be mad if I lose this one. Shit, I wouldn't. I'd have entered. Granted, you could still like enter, but most. Let me get here. Drag it out a little bit. Nice 7R. A little nice 7-4R. That's granted. It's still not breaking and it's keep going up. Boom, boom. Market structure telling me it's not really want to go down. Kind of wants to break. It comes down. Like if it came down, they came back up, telling me it doesn't want to come down here. Oh yeah, I would have fucking entered. Still kind of telling me to enter, but because it's telling me, hey, it doesn't want to come back down here. AMD. What? All right, which one you say? PL. Look at that one. Then I'll probably be off this down. PLTR. All right, let's see this one. I'm gonna leave that one. Ooh, this one look clean. Man, I'm not really see it. Multiple entries. Multiple entries. Could have entered here. Could have entered here. Now, I'm not looking on the smaller time frame. Might somewhere right here. Somewhere. I don't fucking know. It right here again. Right here where the gap is at. Make your stop loss like right. Maybe like right here. TP right here. TP right here. Granted, you're not getting off. probably would have just made the TP smaller in this one. I probably wouldn't have closed that break even. Boom. Let's see this one. Comes above. I'm just saying places I would have entered right here. Not right here, but like right here. I don't really like this one. Never mind. Yeah, I don't like this one because the stop loss kind of is kind of. Wait, no. I want a higher time frame. Let's see. Let's see. Like right here, like exactly right there. Run it. My stop loss will be somewhere right here. Yeah. Every spot I enter, right here, and in this stock, right here. I ain't gonna lie. I could tell you a lot of places I could really want to enter. Damn, I could enter right here because it came back down. I would have entered. I entered right, really lower, like right here. My alert would have been right here. I would have just entered off rip when it touched here. This, like when it comes up, it has to like boom shows me like this. I'm just entering. This I would have just entered. Boom, enter. Just like Nas. Nas is too damn low for if it want to go down, it's just gonna keep going down. But if it keeps bam, bam, and don't want to break, and it's showing me it's in the uptrend, it's not. It showed me it was in the uptrend. So why the fuck wouldn't I? Entry. You see, because sometimes I am wrong. Cause like even I show you if I enter shit, I can still lose. Like the what the hell we looked at yesterday? What did we just look at? AMD. I would have lost. I don't be tripping though, but because you're gonna win more than you lose. Like this one, you could have won. This one, you could have won. I don't know what this one looked like, but I would have entered here, and I would have waited till my TP hit, and I probably would have just held, or just take your profits because you just might be up. Like fucking like Nas, we can still come back down. Like I enter early for a reason because it's not breaking here and it's still an uptrend. Granted, it can still come down, but if it comes above here, it's a buy. But granted, it still can sell. I'm just saying, I'm not going to sell with it because it's an uptrend. So I'm gonna just wait. Like you see how it's up, up. It's not showing me sales. It's just retracing. And then if it comes above here, most likely I get in. But if it tips here, I got to see some type of bullish momentum, retracement, bullish momentum. Shows it doesn't want to break to the lower side. Enter somewhere, I don't know, around here. Make the stop loss. Close this out at break even, or close it out at the stop loss, the same stop. Like, so say if I get a new trade, sometimes I do this, but I stop doing this shit. And this is like, say this is the stop loss. I used to put this stop loss right here with it, so I won't lose no money. But you know how much times that shit didn't work? Like it would stop out, come here, then go all the way up here. This is the overall shit. Yeah, that's what I be doing that shit. Like what I did that for US30. I never forget that shit. That shit pissed me off. This shit right here. I don't delete shit. Look what I did. This shit right here. I was fucking mad, bro. Cause I'm like, it's gonna guarantee come here. Look, this shit right here. I'm like, damn, good buys. Bought up. I'm like, damn. Yeah, I still don't regret this buy though. I don't regret it at all. Cause it was a good buy to me. Granted, I entered. Where the fuck I entered this shit? Man, I think like right here. Or right here. I don't know. No, because I got out when this got out. So I was up in this one, and then it hit. I had made this my stop loss, but granted, look, it hit TP like the next day. Actually, yeah, not the next day, but the day after that, like it hit TP. Never hit stop loss. That's why I said like I be knowing half the time what the fuck I be talking about. It's like when you look at market structure on a higher time frame, it's kind of easy. 4 hour daily, just enter off the small joints. Like this, I remember this. Remember it was news. Enter this one. Like the whole September, like October, I've been kind of losing. Because remember I was scalping and shit. Now I'm like, let me just go back to like really looking at it 4 hours and shit. It doesn't make sense. All right, bet I'm about to end the live anyways. I'm just talking, rambling. But all right, my boy, I'm gonna be up here same time 7. Thanks for 3 followers in here, man. Salute to y'all. Um, we gonna wait for this Nas and see what it does. Hopefully it comes above, close out, see what it do. But peace, my boy.